convert given fractions into percentages. Right. First, we can discuss the first part. The first part given 3 over 4. Then this denominator you can convert into 100 by multiplying a whole number. So 4 we have to multiply by 25, no? So also numerator you have to multiply by the same value. Then 3 multiply 25, 75. 4 multiply 25, 100. So what is the percentage? 75%. 75%. Right? You can check your answers. Second one, look at second one, denominator 10. We have to convert into 100. So 10 you have to multiply by 10. Also numerator you have to multiply by the same value. 1 multiply 10, 10. 100 multiply 10 multiply 10, 100. If the denominator is 100 of a fraction, you can write as a percentage. This one you can write as 10%. Right? So the second one answer is 10%. Then look at the third one, 15 over 20. Denominator is 20, no? So you have to multiply by which value to convert into 100? Yes, you have to multiply by 5. So both numerator and denominator you have to multiply by 5. 15 multiply 5. 15 multiply 5 is 75. 20 multiply 5, 100. So you can write as the percentage 75%. 75%. Fourth one, look at 3 over 2. Denominator is 2. We want to convert into 100. So this fraction, both numerator and denominator, you have to multiply by which value? Yes, 50. Both numerator and denominator, you have to multiply by 50. 3 multiply 50, 150. 2 multiply 50, 100. If the denominator is 100 of a fraction, you can write it as the percentage. So the answer 150%. Right? 150%. It is the fourth part. Then look at fifth one, 13 over 10. The denominator is 10. We want to convert into 100, no? Right? So you have to multiply this fraction by which value? 10. Both denominator and numerator you have to multiply by 10. Then we can write 13 multiply 10, 130. 10 multiply 10, 100. Then if the denominator is 100 of a fraction, you can write as the percentage. The value is 130%. So the fifth one answer 130%. Right. Next one, next two parts given, the fractions given as mixed numbers. Right. You remember well, if the fractions given as mixed numbers, before do all thing, you have to convert these mixed numbers into improper fraction. Right? What is the denominator of this one? 5. So the mixed number denominator 5, if the mixed number denominator is 5, also the improper fraction denominator should be same value 5. Then you have to find the suitable numerator. 5 multiply 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Revise the knowledge of fractions. So the fraction you can write as 7 over 5. Then this denominator is 5. We want to convert into 100, no? So you have to multiply this one by which value? You have to multiply by 20, no? 20. So both numerator and denominator you can multiply by 20. 7 multiply 20, 140. 5 multiply 20, 100. Then we can write as the percentage the answer 140%. 140%. Easy, no? Not difficult, right? Clearly you can do. Right. Next one, look at also given the mixed number. First you have to convert into improper fraction. Denominator is 20. Then we have to find the numerator. These two first you have to multiply, no? Denominator and whole number. 20 multiply 1, 20. 20 plus numerator value 7. 20 plus 7, 27. So the mixed number you can convert into improper fraction. Improper fraction is 27 over 20. Then this denominator is 20. We want to convert into 100. So you have to multiply this one by 5. Both numerator and denominator you have to multiply by 5. Then we can multiply by 5. 20 multiply 5 is 100. 27 multiply 5, what is the answer? 5 times 7, 35, remaining 3. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 30. 135 over 100. Then we can write as the percentage 135%. 135%. Okay. Are you correct these answers? Yes. Okay. Is this part easy or difficult? Easy.